Hi, hello, my dear friends. As we are seeing this back to back series, here we go for part 4. Depolarization in a nerve action potential is due to opening of sodium channels, opening of potassium channels, opening of calcium channels, closing of sodium channels. Fine downy hair normally found abundantly in premature babies is called navy, lanigo, caput, vernix. Microcephaly is diagnosed when head circumference is less than 1 standard deviation, 2 standard deviations, 3 standard deviations, 4 standard deviations. Proton pump in stomach is an example for simple diffusion, secondary active transport, facilitated diffusion, primary active transport. Which of the below is a mortality indicator? Disability rate, crude death rate, prevalence rate, incidence rate. An example of positive feedback mechanism in our body is oxytocin in childbirth, baroreceptor mechanism, regulation of thyroid hormone, temperature regulation. A plane that passes through the midline of the body and divides it into two equal right and left sides is called parasagittal plane, oblique plane, coronal plane, mid-sagittal plane. The cranial nerve affected in Bell's palsy is cranial nerve 3, cranial nerve 7, cranial nerve 9, cranial nerve 5. The genera that needs pyridoxal for growth is Aerococcus, Granulicatilla, Pediococcus, Enterococcus. The term MRSA in bacteriology stands for methicillin resistant Staphylococcus aureus, multi-drug resistant Staphylococcus aureus, methicillin resistant Streptococcus agenesis, methicillin reactive Staphylococcus aureus. Let's review the answers. Depolarization in a nerve action potential is due to opening of sodium channel. Okay, it's not closing of sodium channel. People will go for odd man out. Easily they might think, oh, closing of sodium channel is given, all others are opening. Let's just quickly make a decision and make closing of sodium channels. So that's again a clue. Other things did not have guesswork you wanted to do. You could do an opposite of an odd one out over here. Fine downy hair normally found abundantly in premature baby is called lanigo. Usually mature babies will have very less of lanigo, whereas premature baby has more and more of lanigos. Microcephaly is diagnosed when head circumference is less than 3 standard deviations. Then only we say it as microcephaly. There's a clinical microcephaly which is acceptable, whereas when a child satisfies 3 standard deviations, then it is microcephaly. Proton pump in stomach is an example for primary active transport. When proton pump has inhibited, so much of transport is halted. That's why in gastritis we do offer proton pump inhibitors. Which of the below is a mortality indicator? Crude death rate, the actual death rate without knowing why it is, how it is and all. A death altogether has been calculated here. So apart from all other three, crude death rate is a mortality indicator. Mortality, dead. Prevalence is existing, incidence is coming new. Disability is somebody who is become handicapped. An example of positive feedback mechanism in our body is oxytocin in a childbirth, because the body recognizes that I've given off my baby or I'm at the time of giving baby. So it's a positive feedback mechanism compared to the all other three mechanisms. It's a negative feedback mechanisms to put things in a right place. A plane that passes through the midline of the body and divides it into equal right and left sides is called mid-sagittal plane. A clue over here is midline. It is mid. So mid-sagittal plane. The cranial nerve affected in Bell's palsy is cranial nerve 7. That's a facial nerve. The genera that needs pyridoxal for growth is Granulicatilla, that needs pyridoxals. The term MRSA in bacteriology stands for usually people quickly make decision and jump into multi-drug resistant Staphylococcus aureus. But my dear friends, it is methicillin resistant Staphylococcus aureus. Staph exists in our body as a normal flora. So methicillin resistant Staphylococcus aureus. Thank you all. If you like the video, subscribe and press the bell button. Bye.